Hi, welcome to week 9. Hope you did well on the midterm. We're moving on to chapter 5 this week. So a little bit about business systems. So this week I got the PowerPoint slide if you're looking for Quizlet terms. A couple of questions. Oops, didn't move it. I got a discussion question. Let me just slide that right up, put it where it belongs. So you got the, couple of interaction questions, to play with, reflection journal, and then a review quiz. Now, hopefully the review quizzes have been beneficial on your midterm because the final now will be based on chapters 5 through the end of as many as we get through to the end of the text. So you can take these review quizzes as often as you want, and hopefully it's helped you on the final. Well, hopefully it's not test you on the midterm, but hopefully it'll also help you on the final. So if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Thank you. Bye-bye.